221, and today we're going to talk about my rainforest cage theme, like geckos cage, yeah. The interiors are this jungle vine, which you can see is middle, and I don't remember the type, but I'll put that in the description so you can go check it out on Amazon, which is $8.76. But this is another one of the same one on the other side of the cage, but this one's a small, and then this was $3.79 on Amazon, which I will also put in a link in the description below. The third thing is, you see the ladder right there is from Walmart. I will put a photo right now. Right about now, so you can see how much it is on Walmart, because I can't put it down in the description, and you can go down to the website and order it. So yeah. Now I got the brand from Amazon, which I can't put in the description below because I can't find it on Amazon, so I can't put it in the description below for you guys to buy it. But yeah, and it was like $8.99 on Amazon, so if you can, 79 cents. And that's all it takes. Really, it's not that much money if you want something simple. And yeah, you can. Then this little tree stump right here with that your gecko can go in was at Walmart for $8.97, and yeah. This is a thermometer and hydrometer, which go right, which was $20 about at PetSmart. So, or you can probably get it for less at Petco, but I don't know how much. Thanks guys for watching this, and I will leave some shout outs at the end of right about in some time. So go check them out in the description, and their names will be on screen.